Satake, and I'm the leader of team CYNET.ai. I'm located in New Jersey, and the other two developers are in India. I've been working with robots for a few years by now, and I'm very interested in autonomous vehicles. And this challenge from DARPA was very interesting because it's a new environment and it's a challenging one, a bit different from the usual self-driving cars or drones that everybody's doing. Our strategy combines, first of all, navigation along the underground environment, which is not easy because there is a low visibility and very weak communication between the robots. Then it's the challenge of detecting objects, which, again, it's not easy because it's a dark environment and you can only see those artifacts when you are facing them, when they are in front of the headlights. In the first two phases, we used rovers, but in this cave world, it's much harder to navigate with rovers. So for the first time, we are using drones. The drones are more flexible and they can go around the hazards and stalactites and stalagmites in the cave a lot easier, and they can go around, it can go up and down, so there is no risk of getting stuck in a hole or in between rocks. I think it's a trade-off between a longer range and a safer path along the cave, and the way we chose it, the safer path and faster movement, I think it's going to outweigh the battery range of the drone compared to a rover. When the drone detects an artifact, it localizes it and it saves the location and the type of artifact. And of course, since it's probably going to be deep into the tunnels, it's unlikely it can reach the base station to report it. So each vehicle is going to continuously try to send the list of artifacts it detected every 10 seconds. We try to return when the battery is down to 60%, just backtrack and get back to the base station. So eventually they're going to get close enough to the base station to report all the artifacts that were detected. And by then, robots might have been in close communication, so they exchange the information. So one robot that gets closest to the base station first might have a lot more objects that were beamed by the other vehicles that it met along the way. We participated, me and my teammates, in two other challenges before, the Alpha Pilot from Lockheed Martin and the NASA Space Robotics Challenge. We didn't move too far in those, so when SubT came, the Subterranean Challenge from DARPA, it was like 3 times the charm, and we were able to qualify in both previous phases. And I started with building a drone, and now we are back to programming an autonomous drone, which was my dream from the beginning.